Thank you for joining me here today. This is my little tutorial. Somebody asked me, and actually no, I've gotten a lot of people asking me how I make the boats. This is kind of just my little sketch area. So to start off, I do obviously a new canvas. I kind of start sketching out. I already did this one. I just screen recorded it, so I'm going to talk during this. So first off, I start out with a line. Obviously, that's kind of the whole thing, and then I kind of just make a transom line. And also, this is kind of just a quick tutorial. Usually, it takes me a lot longer than this, and usually I'm just sketching out ideas. Or also, I also use Adobe Illustrator for a lot of on my computer. But this is kind of the most creative way I feel like to get into this whole thing is to sketch it out on Procreate. I really like it. I use just my iPad for the whole boat ideas and everything. All I use is an iPad and a computer for almost everything. Then you'll see me kind of just right here being creative, just looking at it, seeing what I like, seeing what I don't like. Right now I'm kind of sketching out the chime. I forget, but I believe this one kind of looked bad, so I believe I redo this part. Yep, yeah, that looks awful. That looks very stupid. So then you kind of need a higher chime for that. And then also, as you'll see later in this video, I use something, I think it's distort. You'll see how I go up through it. Also for this, you can actually insert images, so you can get a lot of good reference from other boats, and you can stretch images, and I really like that part, stretching. That's kind of the best part of this, is you can stretch what you draw to make more of a like a smooth line, you know what I'm saying? Because it's really difficult to draw like a line of like a Viking or like some sort of sport fish with a really smooth line. That's what I think, at least. That's my personal opinion. I've been using Procreate for several years. I believe I gotta look back, but I believe since about 2018, 2017. Yeah, that's why I believe, though. I could be wrong. Right now I'm kind of sketching out a little bit more of a seacraft kind of thing. You can see I'm kind of wrapping it, and through here it's all about just experimenting, honestly. So yeah. You can see kind of here I'm kind of lowering the transom, liking that seacraft kind of look. And also I draw like the inside of the boats. I like to do a lot of layouts, but layouts and everything else for more like, if you're more into usually I like sketching it out on these, and then I go to Adobe Illustrator to get more of a realistic size for these boats. But usually I like to do about one post a day on my boat ideas account. So yeah, thank you for joining me. I'll be quiet here for a second, let you watch here. So yeah.
See the world and just show them what it really means to live like golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, 'cause we're golden.
Alright, so now at this point, I'm going in and I'm kind of just stretching the hole out, making it look nice. You know how it is, just making it look real nice. And that's kind of the best part about Procreate is you can stretch stuff out and get a nice smooth line. And right now I'm about to insert the motor. Also, up here you'll be able to see another beauty about Procreate is you can actually insert colors. So, yep. Today I decided to do the Suzuki because I think that's more realistic on like a Seacraft hull or Seacraft kind of hull. That's what most people do. Sorry, you guys will probably see my camera roll when I go through and scroll through photos of motors. Also, you want to make sure layers is very important because you know layers of stuff you see. So if you have the motor over, then it'll look really weird and just won't make any sense. It'll just look like a flat image, you know. So sorry, I'm scrolling through here. I think there's a Suzuki right there. Perfect. So you know, kind of just want to size it up. Also, you can adjust the canvas size and make it whatever you want. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day and stay in the water.